So you are going to read each sentence and you're going to translate each sentence. Okay, so you are going to read and translate each sentence. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's
Understand.
go. You can start reading.
I'm a student. Je suis une étudiante. I'm a student. Je suis une étudiante. You are a student. Tu es un étudiant. Euh, you're a student. T'es une étudiante.
Ou bien un
He is
étudiant. Les cas étudiant ou un
oui, étudiant.
étudiant.
Yeah.
Ok.
Et, he is a student. He is a student. Il est un étudiant. Il est un étudiant. La même
He is
chose.
a student. You have to read.
Yes.
You have to say
Yes.
he is a student. He
He is
is
a
a student.
student. He is a student. She is a student. She is a student. He, he is
Uh-huh.
as
It is a
it
book.
is a book. Is a book. C'est
It's
un
a
livre.
book.
It's a book.
Mm-hmm.
It's a book. We are student. We're
We are students.
well student. Well.
Students. Soutan depi mi a lot si kas non, met
Well.
mi el ba yon problem. Met mi lot si kas.
Oui, c'est ok. M'tade, oui.
Mm-hmm.
Student. You are student. You're student. They are student. They're student.
Yes, great. Congratulations. Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
Very well. Ou la, ou sot fè tout pati ki afirmative yo. Pa vre? La li menm se negasyon.
Okay.
La pati sa nou pale nan negasyon. Negative. Par exemple, la di I am, I'm not, I am, okay, I'm not. Where he is not, she is not, it is not. Where he is not, she is not, he is not, she is not, it's not. Look, while the he isn't, li prononce isn't. Isn't. Where?
Isn't.
He isn't, it isn't.
Isn't.
We are not, we are not, where we aren't.
We aren't.
We,
Aren't.
where you are not,
You are not. You are. We aren't.
you aren't.
Why? They aren't.
They are not, they are not, they are not,
They are not.
they
They
aren't,
aren't.
they aren't.
Is.
Okay.
Est-ce que nous pouvons reprendre, s'il te plaît?
Mm-hmm. I am not, I'm not, I'm not, I'm not. He is not, he is not, he isn't,
Isn't.
she is not,
Is not.
she is not,
Isn't. She isn't.
it is not. When le T nan mi tan de voyelle, li gen son de D.
D.
Faut attendre it is not,
It is.
it's not, he is, it is, it isn't, okay? It isn't or it isn't. We are not, we are not,
We aren't.
we aren't. You are not,
You are not.
you're not, or you aren't.
Aren't.
They are not, they are not, or they aren't. They aren't. Okay? C'est-à-dire que ça c'est forme. Ça c'est négation. Et puis tu es forme contractée ça ou yé.
Oui. Is not.
Négation et puis tout ça c'est forme contractée. Contractée. Par exemple, le
Is
qu'on dit I am not, je ne suis pas. I am
I
not,
am not.
je ne suis pas. Là dit I'm
I'm
not.
not.
OK. Là, les mêmes, les gains deux formes seulement, pas vrai?
I'm not.
Forme qui utilisée pour ça, un pile monde pas connaît et puis un pile monde connaît tout, un pile monde pas utiliser. Par exemple, l'on dit I ain't. Ouais, yo ka dit I ain't, qui c'est je ne suis pas. Yo utilise l'en pile dans slang, li écrit comme ça. Li écrit comme ça. L'on dit je ne suis pas, par exemple, li juste écrit comme ça. I, I, I ain't.
I am.
I
Oh.
ain't. I ain't. Un pile moun pa kon existence, li pa utilize, etc. Mais li existe I ain't. I ain't a boy. Yo utilize le plus dans slang. Comprendre? Qui pas trop formel. Li pas trop formel.
Okay.
Mais ou pas besoin de dire le même. Just dire pour qu'on existence li.
Okay. I'm not.
Uh-huh.
I'm not.
Not. Okay.
He's not. He's not. Or
Or,
he
or,
or or isn't.
he isn't.
Isn't. He isn't.
Yes. Okay.
She is not. She is not. Or she isn't. He is not. It is not.
Pourquoi dire it is not?
It is not.
Ça, il a fait plus border.
Parce que c'est. Ouais.
Yeah, parce que mais
Parce
on connaît,
que
it is not, it is not.
It is. It is. Non, parce qu'on dit D, T1,
Dans mes temps de,
entre deux voyelles,
le
il
son
y a
de
son
D.
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 Yeah.
Yeah, okay, it is not,
It is
it is
not.
not,
It is not. It is not.
it's,
It's not. Or it
it
isn't.
isn't, it
It
isn't.
is. It isn't.
Yeah, ça c'est l'autre fait plus border, là, non, niveau, yeah, what, it isn't, it
It
isn't,
isn't.
okay?
It isn't. We are not. We're not. Or we aren't.
We aren't, okay.
You are not. You're not. Or you aren't.
You aren't, They,
Vey,
they,
c'est comme si m senti ou di m vey, ou pa di m
ok, men sak pase, they sa, gen yon blak prononse, de yon te achat kon F. Ben gen yon takou DF. They, ouais, they,
They.
men se, non nivou ki plus, waman pou lag lan, they, but,
They.
men wap te de blan yo do they.
Ok.
Living here, and they pronounce they. Na plivis, se kon sa wap prononse they. Men wap
Ok.
te gen they, le, non nivou ki plus, le moun nan plus etc.
Ok.
Ou kon tous les deux. Ou kon prononce, ou pas pral sans vous dire they, they. Ou juste dit they, ou fini, Jean livre là, so dit là. Jean prononciation, so dit they, ou ka dit they.
They are not. They are not. They not. Or they aren't.
They aren't. Ça c'est they're not.
Ouais, they are
They're
not.
not. They aren't.
They aren't.
They aren't. Great, it's great. Congratulations. Congratulations. Kon yon pral di chaque, il pou ap traduit.